Hi everyone, welcome to Kujatis Tech. So last session we discussed about why to learn Java 8 and what are the topics we cover our session we discussed, right? So now in in this session just we discussed about imperative and declarative programming approach. So in this session programmatically we see what is the difference between imperative and declarative programming. Okay, let's go and start. So first we go imperative. So sum of 1 to 1000 numbers out to print. Okay. So first I'm taking sum as 0 initialization. Afterwards, for int I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to 1000, I plus plus, right? Later, I took sum equal to sum plus I. Okay. Later, for loop closed and printed. So sum will be printed, right? So this is imperative approach. We write many lines, right? So with the Java 8, simply see how can we write declarative coding approach. Int sum equal to int stream. There is a int all data types. There is a stream objects for every data type. There is a stream object. By using them, right, we can use. So here, right, int stream range. There is a range and range close two methods. So starting from 1 and ending to 1000. So we have this, there is some method, right? So we can call that. It returns what? It returns someone. It returns sum. That's it. We'll print that. Okay. Shall we see programmatically this one? Yeah, let's go. So first, I installed Java 17 and IntelliJ. Anyone needed, right? The Java setup and IntelliJ setup. Anyone, you can comment in the video, right? So then I will post those videos also. Okay. So first imperative coding approach. Imperative coding. Imperative coding approach. For sum of 1 to 1000 numbers. 2000. So imperative. Okay, now as I told you, right, int sum equal to 0, and I'm taking right for loop int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 1000, I plus plus. So now I'm doing right sum equal to, so already in sum what value is there? 0 is there, right? So I'm doing sum equal to sum plus I. So once, right, the for loop iteration completed 1000 times, I'm printing the sum. Okay. Imperative coding approach sum. Declarative coding approach. Some you can print some variable. So now, right? Now you see declarative. So what I told you, int stream, right? There is int stream dot range closed 1 to 1000. Simply dot sum. Now int sum 1 equal to, but that's it mitrama. Now it is declarative coding approach. Declarative coding approach. It is someone. Okay, let's run. See, so this is about first example. Let's see second example too. So imperative and declarative programming example 2, removing duplicate elements from the list. Okay. So first we see imperative coding approach. So I'm taking right a list of integers. So arrays as list means what? Without creating array list object, there is a method in arrays, right? There is a method in arrays as list. Then it gives us, right, a list of integers. Okay. And I created, right, for saving after, right, for saving unique type of integers. For saving purpose, right, I took a array list. Okay. So I'm doing, right, I'm iterating all one by one list of objects, integers. So based on size. So in list, right, there is a size method. It gives us how many elements are there in the list. So I'm starting from 0 index. So I'm checking if unique list contains integers dot get of I. So integers dot get of I, right? So unique list, it contains method gives if it is there means true. Particular, for example, now we are iterating first 0 index 1, it will be there, right? So unique list contains 1, first time nothing will be there, right? So it gives us what? False. So whenever it false comes means we need to add that element to unique list, correct? Yeah, we are adding that element to unique list. So like that, right? If that particular element already there in unique list, it will be added. If it is not there, it won't be added. That's it. That's it. We can print unique list. So we will get only unique. Unique means which won't be repeated. All elements will be unique, means elements won't be repeated. So now declarative approach. How can we write? Let's see. So it is not imperative, it should be declarative. Sorry, I need to change. Yes. Let me change here itself. It is declarative. Okay. This one we discussed right now, declarative coding approach. So first, right, First, right, there is unique list. Oh, so here also, right, we should take integers. We need to take integers, right? We need to take integers, but here it is unique list is there. Let me change this also. It is integers list. It is integers, correct? It is integers. It is integers. So integers, yes. Later I'll change that. So integers the stream distinct, right? So stream, there is a stream method. Stream, right? Stream is basically what? A flow of the elements called stream, right? A flow. So while flowing those elements one by one, right? We are telling distinct, do distinct. So internally distinct what it do? So like internally how we written in a Pareto approach, right? It will collect only distinct. So after doing distinct method, it gives one element, right? Whenever it is giving the distinct method, particular element, we are collecting that element. So after collecting, right, there is a in collect method, there is a collectors method. So that collectors method we can do two list. Then this two list will give us a list of integers. That's it. Then we can print unique list objects. Okay. So we'll see that in programmatically. So imperative coding approach for removing duplicate elements from the list. Removing duplicate elements. Removing duplicate elements from the list. From the list. Okay, now I'm taking arrays as list 1, 1, 2, 3, 32, 31, 2, 3, and something. Okay, now 4, 4. So then this it gives us, right, list of integers. List of integers. Okay, now we are creating another list for saving, right? For saving what? Unique integers, correct? Yeah, integer it is also. Generic type is integer. So now unique integers, right? It is unique integers. Unique integers. Unique integers. So new array list. Just we are creating object and keeping ready. So now I want to iterate from 0 index of the integers. So now integers dot size. Integers dot size. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to check the unique integers. So the unique integers having the one by one element will integer value will come, right? That element is there or not in unique integers. Contains what? Integers dot get off the particular index I. Okay. So it is there means we should not add. So it is not there means I'm putting reverse condition. So for example, it is there. It is there means it returns what? True, right? So if it is not there means if it is not there means it will return false. Then opposite means true. So if it is not there means I want to add. So unique integers dot add of integers dot get of I. Correct, no? One more bracket extra. So now you can print unique integers. So imperative coding approach, unique integers. Unique integers. Okay. Let's run this first. Later we see. Later we see declarative approach, right? What is array index out of bounds exception? Why? Yes, should not be equal to. Why? Because we are starting index from 0. That's why always I less than integer size should be there. Now let's run again. See, 1, 2, 32, 41, 3, 42, 4. These elements are unique. Okay. Let's see now declarative approach. Declarative. The declarative. Okay. Now there is integers dot stream. Dot stream means flow of the elements. A flow is called stream. Then we are telling take only distinct. A distinct you are giving element, right? I want to you collect a collect. So you are a collect you are giving, right? So those after collecting them, I want to I want to convert to them to list. So collectors dot to list. That's it. This one will give us list of integers. Unique integers. Unique integers. I think it's one. I need to print them just for declarative approach. It is declarative approach. Declarative A. Now it is one, right? Now run it again. Yeah, see, so this is the difference between imperative and declarative approach. Okay, guys, next section we will discuss about lambda expressions. Thank you everyone.